31. How to transfer money with cryptocurrency simply explained. With the rise of digital currencies, more and more people are turning to this method as a way to send and receive money quickly and securely. Whether you're looking to send money to a friend or family member, or you're looking to make a business transaction, we'll walk you through the process step by step. From setting up a cryptocurrency wallet to sending and receiving payments, we'll cover everything you need to know. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to transfer money with cryptocurrency. To watch this video until the end, as we will also provide 6 tips about avoiding mistakes while transferring money. But do remember, nothing in this video is financial advice, so you should always do your own research before investing in anything. So without any further delay, let's start the video with what is a cryptocurrency and how does it work. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It is decentralized and operates on a distributed ledger called a blockchain. One of the most popular cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009 by an unknown person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency without a central bank or single administrator that can be sent from user to user on the peer-to-peer Bitcoin network without the need for intermediaries. Other popular cryptocurrencies include Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. These currencies operate in similar ways to Bitcoin, but have some key differences. For example, Ethereum is a decentralized platform that enables smart contracts and decentralized applications (dApps) to be built and run without any downtime, fraud, control, or interference from a third party. Talking about how cryptocurrencies work. A cryptocurrency works on a technology called a blockchain. A blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records all transactions made on a particular cryptocurrency. It's called a blockchain because it's made up of blocks of data, and each block contains multiple transactions. Each block is connected to the block before it and the block after it, creating a chain. This means that once a block is added to the blockchain, the information in it cannot be altered or deleted. This makes the blockchain a secure and transparent way to track transactions. When someone wants to make a transaction with a cryptocurrency, they use a digital wallet. This is a software program that stores the person's private and public keys. The private key is like a password, and it's used to sign the transaction. The public key is like a unique address, and it's used to identify the person's wallet. When the transaction is signed, it's broadcast to the network of computers that maintain the blockchain. These computers, called nodes, then verify the transaction. They check that the person has enough funds in their wallet and that the transaction is valid. Once the transaction is verified, it's added to the next block in the blockchain. Now that you guys are clear about what is cryptocurrency and how it works, let's move on to how to transfer money with cryptocurrency, including step-by-step instructions for beginners. But before we delve into that, subscribe to our channel Money Internet if you want to listen to more tips and financial recommendations for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a refresher, these simple steps will walk you through the process of sending and receiving money with cryptocurrency. And the first step is to get a cryptocurrency wallet. A digital wallet is a software program that stores your private and public keys. Your private key is like a password and is used to sign transactions, while your public key is like a unique address and is used to identify your wallet. There are many different types of digital wallets available, including desktop, mobile, and hardware wallets. Each has its own set of features and security measures, so it's important to choose one that fits your needs. Then comes step 2, which is to buy cryptocurrency. You can do this by using a cryptocurrency exchange such as Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Exchanges allow you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. To buy crypto, you will need to create an account, verify your identity, and link your bank account or credit debit card. Now comes step 3, which is to send the money. To do this, you'll need to know the public key or address of the person you're sending money. You can find it in the recipient's digital wallet. Then, using your own digital wallet, you will input the recipient's public key and the amount you want to send. Here comes step 4, which is to confirm the transaction. This is the point where you will use your private key to sign the transaction. It is important to double-check the public key and the amount before confirming the transaction to avoid sending money to the wrong address. Finally, the 5th step is to wait for confirmation. These computers, called nodes, will verify the transaction. This process usually takes a few minutes, and once it's complete, the money will be sent to the recipient's digital wallet, and that's it. You have successfully transferred money using cryptocurrency. Keep in mind that the process may vary slightly depending on the digital wallet or exchange you're using, but the basic steps are the same. Now that you are clear about the steps of sending cryptocurrency, let's move towards finding out different platforms available for transferring money with cryptocurrency. So there are several options available. The first one are cryptocurrency exchanges. These are online platforms that allow you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Some of the most popular exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. They allow you to convert your fiat money into crypto and vice versa. Secondly comes digital wallets, which we have already explained earlier. These are software programs that store your private and public keys. They allow you to manage your crypto and make transactions. Some popular digital wallets include Meta Wallet, Exodus, and Ledger. Third, we have P2Pascal's platforms. These platforms facilitate direct transactions between individuals. They allow you to send and receive money without the need for an intermediary. Some examples of platforms include Local Bitcoins and Paxful. Then there are payment processors. These platforms integrate with e-commerce platforms and online merchants, allowing them to accept crypto payments. Some examples include BitPay and Coinbase Commerce. And finally, we have DeFi platforms. Decentralized finance platforms are built on blockchain technology and allow you to lend, borrow, and earn interest on your crypto. AAV, Compound, and MakerDAO are some examples. It's important to note that each platform has its own set of features and security measures, so it's important to choose one that fits your needs. When choosing a platform, it's important to consider the fees, security, ease of use, and supported currencies. Now finally, let's move towards discussing our final point, which is some security precautions to take when transferring money with cryptocurrency. The first thing to consider is using a reputable platform. When choosing a platform to transfer money with cryptocurrency, it's important to choose one that has a good reputation and has been around for a while. Make sure to read reviews from other users and check the platform's track record. Another thing to do is to keep your private key safe. Your private key is like a password and is used to sign transactions. It's important to keep it safe and secure. Never share it with anyone, and make sure to store it in a secure location. One important thing is to use a hardware wallet. A hardware wallet is a physical device that stores your private key offline. It's one of the most secure ways to store your cryptocurrency. Some popular hardware wallets include Ledger and Trezor. Always use two-factor authentication, as two-factor authentication, 2FA, is an extra layer of security that requires a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone to access your account. Many platforms offer 2FA as an option, and it's a good idea to enable it. Be careful with phishing. Phishing is a type of scam where attackers try to trick you into giving away your private key or other sensitive information. Be careful of suspicious emails, text messages, or phone calls, and never click on links or enter your private key on a website you're not familiar with. Also, use a strong password when creating an account. It's important to use a strong password that is difficult to guess. Avoid using personal information, such as your name or date of birth, and make sure to use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. That concludes the video by explaining everything about how to transfer money with cryptocurrency, which steps to take along with finding out how many means of transfer are available. We also highlighted the precaution to check while transferring money and gave free tips to avoid mistakes that usually beginners make. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and keep watching more crypto videos that will provide more tips and financial recommendations for making money with staking cryptocurrency, stocks, and finances. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.